So we will discuss how to find the slope given yung equation of the line. Pero kailangan alam natin yung tinatawag na standard form. Okay? So this is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by equals c, wherein a, b, and c are real numbers. Okay? Now, kailangan alam din natin yung slope-intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus p, wherein yung m, ito yung slope. And b, this is the y-intercept. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, we have the equation 3x plus 5y equals 6. We need to find the slope. Okay? So, what we're going to do is write this equation, this is standard form, gawin nating slope-intercept form. At kung mapapansin nyo sa slope-intercept form, naka-isolate yung y dito. So, kailangan ang matira na lang dito ay y. Kailangan mawala si 3x, mawala rin din si 5 dito. So, we will apply subtraction property of equality. So, paano ang gagawin? We copy 3x. So, since gusto natin mawala ito si 3x, dito sa left side of the equation, we have to minus 3x. This is subtraction property of equality. Now, kung ito ay negative, ang gagawin natin ay mag-plus. Bakit? Para ma-cancel out ito. Okay? Plus, you copy 5y equals 6. Since ang ginawa mo ay nag-minus ka dito ng 3x, kailangan balance yung ating equation, gagawin mo rin yan dito sa kabilang. So, dapat you also subtract 3x. So, in that sense, cancel out na ita ng 3x sa kabila. Now, so we just copy first 5y equals. Since yung ating slope-intercept form, kailangan nauna yung x. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo, nasa dulo. So, i-arrange lang natin. Lagay lang natin sa unahan para the same dun sa ating pattern. So, negative 3x. This is positive, so we write plus 6. Again, kailangan y lang ang matira dito. No? The numerical coefficient should be 1 or hindi natin ilalagay yung 1. Since merong 5, so ang gagawin natin is divide, okay, all terms by 5. Divide 5. Divide 5. Kung ano yung numerical coefficient dito, yun ang i-divide natin. So, we cancel out 5. Okay, now, pwede bang i-divide yung negative 3 sa 5? Hindi rin. 6 and 5, hindi rin. So, therefore, ang mangyayari dyan ay magiging y. Write this. Y is equal to negative 3x over 5 plus 6 over 5. So, ito, yung ating equation ay nandito na sa ating slope-intercept form. Yung m ay yung katabi ni x, the numerical coefficient of x. So, what is the numerical coefficient of x in this equation? That is negative 3 over 5. So, yung m natin is equal to negative 3 over 5. That is our slope. Okay? Now, let's have another one. Actually, there is a shortcut in solving the slope given yung equation of a line. Ito yung ating formula para mas mabilis yung pagkuha ng slope ng ating equation. That's negative a over b. So, kanina, ang equation natin ay 3x plus 5y equals 6, wherein this is our a, this is our a, this is our b. So, to find the m, gagamitin natin yung formula ng negative a over b. So, we write negative. What is our a? That's 3. Over. What is our b? That's 5. See? Diba? Kung mapapansin mo, the same lang yung sagot natin kanina. So, you can solve it in less than 5 seconds. Diba? So, mabilis lang. Okay? That's our example number 1. Now, let's have example number 2. Let's say 9x plus 3y equals negative 7. So, by using our formula, m is equal to negative a over b, so we write m equals negative. What is our a? That's 9. Yung a, yung numerical coefficient ni x. 9 over what is our b? b is the numerical coefficient of y. That's 3. And what is negative 3 over 9? That's negative 3. So, our slope is negative 3. Okay? So, you can use yung ginawa natin kanina, yung transform natin into slope-intercept form, or you can use our shortcut. Diba? Mas mabilis ito. Now, let's have another one. Let's say number 3. Let's say 4x plus 8y equals 10. So, again, yung shortcut natin, m is equal to negative a over b. So, what's our a? That's 4. Copy negative. What is our b? That's 8. And what is the lowest term of negative 4 over 8? That's negative 1/2. So, our m is negative 1/2. Okay? Now, let's have another one. Let's say number 4. Let's say negative plus 6y equals negative 1. So again, by using our formula, m is equal to negative a over b. So we have m negative. Since our a is negative 3, now we have negative dito. So, and our formula is may negative. So, iba pa yung negative na nasa labas. Then, lagay natin yung negative 3 sa loob ng parenthesis. Over what is our b? That's 6. And negative times negative, that's positive. It's positive 3 over 6. And what is 3 over 6 in lowest term? That is 1/2. So, our m is 1/2. Let's have another one. Number 5. Let's say negative 4x minus 3y equals 2. So again, our formula para sa shortcut is negative a over b. And we copy m, negative. What is our a? That's negative 4. So lagay ulit natin sa parenthesis since negative yung a. What is our b? That's negative 3. We consider this as negative. Okay? So, negative times negative, that's positive. And that's negative 3. Or, we can write yung negative doon sa gitna. Negative 4, then copy. Negative 4, then copy 3. Okay? So, this is now our slope.